Roof finishing. Panels in the lower part. Move on to the final stage of the finishing of the roof. Prepare the inactive panel with an adhesive EPDM tape applied to it. Then slide it into the gap under the panels installed above. Make sure to slide it tightly to the bracket wall. Do the same for the next panel. Prepare the clamp and slide it under the panels where they are connected. The clamp should be positioned so that the screw holes are in the gap between the two panels. Then screw on the clamp using a wood screw. Use the clamp with each panel in the last row. Finally, fix the inactive panels by means of the pressure strips, the outermost one and the main one. The pressure strips in the eaves area should extend 5 to 10 millimeters beyond the edge of the panel. Repeat the above steps until the entire row has been filled with panels. In this way, you've completed the installation of the MyRoof system, finished with dedicated flashings.